So I've got the Sony WF-1000XM6 earbuds, and in today's video, I'll be showing you how to pair and connect this to your Windows PC or laptop. All right, so this is supposed to be very simple. Now, first thing you want to do is go to the Bluetooth settings. So you can click on the start button and then go to settings. Under settings, you want to go on the left hand side and click on Bluetooth and devices. And then let's go ahead and click on add device and then choose the first option. And now it's scanning for Bluetooth devices to connect to. So what you need to do is put the Sony earbuds in Bluetooth pairing mode. At the back of the case is this pairing button right next to the Type-C port. So you want to press and hold that button until the light at the front of the case starts blinking blue. Okay, so let me just press it again. Press and hold that button. It's going to be a blue light blinking at the front of the case. There you go. So that means they're now in pairing mode. And now your Windows PC should be able to detect them. So you can see this already detected here, but they should show up here. Now, in case it doesn't show up here and it shows up here, you can simply go ahead and click on connect from right here. That's the Bluetooth connection option. And it's connected. Okay, so I'm just gonna cancel this and use the prompt. So you can see the WF-1000XM6 earbuds are now connected. Simple as that. Thanks for watching and good luck.